Welcome back, my dear children. In our previous class, we discussed about the 5th class, chapter 1, bigger numbers. Okay? Shall we continue this topic? Okay, we will continue this topic. In the last class, we discussed about a table which is in our textbook. Let us recall that table. Okay, children, I am going to explain that about this table once again. In this table, we can see the bowler names on the left side, the country names in middle of the table, and number of wickets taken by that player are given on the right side of the table. Okay, children? Okay. Muralidharan, he is from Sri Lanka. He had taken 1,347 wickets. Shane Warne from Australia, he had taken 1,001 wickets. Anil Kumble from India, he had taken 956 wickets. Kapil Dev from India, he had taken 687 wickets, and lastly Walsh from West Indies taken 519 wickets. From this we can say highest score. Okay, what is the highest score here? Okay, very good, 1,347, and the smallest score is 519 wickets. Okay, this is all about the table. Okay, children, in previous class we solved 2 questions. Okay, and now we are going to take few more questions from this table and try to solve the problems. Okay, children, let us start. Okay, here are the 3 questions are there. Question A. About how many more wickets has Muralidharan taken than Kapil Dev? About how many more wickets has Muralidharan taken than Kapil Dev? B question. About how many more wickets has Muralidharan taken than Kumble? About how many more wickets has Muralidharan taken than Kumble? And C question. About how many more wickets has Muralidharan taken than Warne? About how many more wickets has Muralidharan taken than Warne? Here, first we take the first question A. About how many more wickets has Muralidharan taken than Kapil Dev? To solve this question, we have to observe Muralidharan and Kapil Dev scores in given table. Okay, number of wickets taken by Muralidharan is how much? 1,347. Okay, we should write here number of wickets taken by Muralidharan is equal to 1,347. Next, we see in table Kapil Dev taken wickets. How many wickets? 687. Very good. We should write here number of wickets taken by Kapil Dev is equal to 687. Okay. Then we should write a difference from 1347, we should subtract 687. Okay, then we get answer how much? Very good. 660 is the answer. So then we can conclude Muralidharan 660 more wickets taken than Kapil Dev. Okay children, Muralidharan had taken 660 more wickets than Kapil Dev. Okay, very good. Next, we are going to solve problem B. B question. About how many more wickets has Muralidharan taken than Kumble? About how many more wickets has Muralidharan taken than Kumble? Okay, from the table we should take Muralidharan and Kumble scores. Okay, see the table. Number of wickets taken by Muralidharan, you know that 1347. So we should write here number of wickets taken by Muralidharan is equal to 1347. Next, we should write number of wickets taken by Kumble. Okay, see in the table, Kumble had taken 956 wickets. So 956 wickets I write here. Next, we should find the difference. What should we do to find the difference? What? Okay, very good. Subtraction we should do. When we do subtraction, what will we get? Okay, we will get the answer 391. Do you understand these two solutions, children? Okay, children, you try to solve a C question at your home. And next, I am going to tell you how to make or frame few more questions from this table. Okay, see the table. We solved a few questions here. Now we should make the questions. What is the next highest score? Tell me from this table. Okay, very good. 1001. Who did make this score? Okay, Shenwan. So, you take Shenwan and compare with Anil Kumble. Then, we can make a question from these two persons' scores. Okay, how? Observe carefully. How many more wickets taken by Shenwan than Anil Kumble? Simply, what? How many more wickets taken by Shenwan than Anil Kumble? Like this, we can frame another question. Okay, next, we will take Shenwan and Kapil Dev. Okay, now make a question about these two persons. Come on, say. About how many more wickets taken by Shenwan than Kapil Dev? Very good. About how many more wickets taken by Shenwan than Kapil Dev? Okay, children, you also try to make few more questions like this. So, children, I hope you have understood my class. See you in the next class. Bye, children.